Hey everybody, today we're going to do a little bit of a product review test out video. We're going to deal with a problem that a lot of people have, I'm sure, with these wheels that you get at Tractor Supply for your gates. We have this really long gate here, and the anchor post really isn't sufficient, so the gate sags. And these last you maybe a year, and then they do this. They just completely wear out inside. The bushings fall out, and it's junk. So I was looking on Amazon, and I found this bad boy. 16-inch flat free tire, dual ball bearings, adjustable height, 400-pound capacity. This thing looks like it ought to do the job. And I finally found a good use for the old style wheel. I stuck it underneath the gate to hold the gate up. It's about as good as that'll do. These things are junk. I put the cinder blocks in the ground there last year, so it had something smooth to roll on, and it still wore out. Some easy to read instructions. This company is called Tech Team. That's who made this, and this is the industrial / agricultural 16-inch gate wheel. We'll put a link to it in the description. Let's see what we got here. This thing comes pretty much completely assembled. This is nice. You get your 3C clamps. The wheel is already attached to the plate and the axle. It is bolted on and pinned. The tire's nice. It's a flat free tire, so it's solid rubber. You don't have to worry about it going flat. This thing ought to last many years, many years. Kind of set it up here and get an idea of how we want this. And it looks fairly simple to assemble here. I'm just going to look at the instructions real quick. I've got everything on there finger tight. I'm gonna kind of mocked up, and now I'm gonna make sure the wheel is square with the gate. Basically the axle in line with the gate. pretty good. I have to say that it probably would have been better to take the tire off to get everything mocked up. It might take a few minutes to get it off of there, but then it would save you a few minutes trying to get these nuts to thread on. We get to squeeze your hands back in. Alright, that maybe 5-10 minute assembly to put this thing on. And I'll tell you, I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about a gate wheel for many years. This thing rolls good. The only issue I'm gonna have now is before, with the smaller wheel, the gate would just sit there and the dogs couldn't get through. So now I'm definitely gonna have to use the chain to latch it. But besides that, this baby rolling on the hard surface here. Let's try it on the grass, right across the grass. Oh yeah. No issues here now. So my impression of this thing is that it's a quality product from a good quality company, and I would definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.